Flexible people who can bend their body into shapes and do whatever without feeling anything. Yes.
And you were a dancer.
You know they paying you like this?
Nah, at all.
Stop trying to be someone you're not, my love now. 'Cause a hot, cold, and cruel is a man who paid too much for what he's got. But if you need me like you say you do, because of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the arrival, the bench!
Especially, I must greet you. Just to make me feel all right.
Good to see you.
Obviously, you must spell at the band. Spell at the band. That way you spell at the band.
Smelling like you.
They are wondering what you... Don't worry, it's not the same.
And I'm feeling good.
Yeah, I feel good. You know that I will not. I feel good. You know that I will not. So good, so good. I got you. My brother, I don't feel good. I'm telling you.